me I had number for TV so or YouTube. Would you listen to me or subscribe? And your first time I need to share. But what the answer will be subscribe. Or be like a video no. And watch share money episode. And you be a share. If it's a hano, a be wow. A bone you know be brave. And to be would you say was so a be wow. Or page you so a casafa control. Will be open back Canada. Will be open to admission process no. And visa application process. And in summer a course or port of entries and answer a school for life or Canada no. I only share, you know. I want a video no. Unya baako a wonya na visa na wonya letter send visa no immigration for the monsa to so ontumi mfa ntu kwan anase production bi akontu bi ampo ontumi mfa ntu visitors visa die na be mu obi anya visa na letter na visa no ye twam die na be mu obi anya visa na letter wonya letter say na visa no odi tu kwan a enye saa nkomo bi sei ene de aka ebeboa no osua de wo mu no ho asem na ka ne page so me say wada age ye mu ranko mu enti me ho na menya letter we say onua de asini o na asem aba enti me say me resa na wote de immigration for a kan no enti saa letter we no omo issue no on the 4th of May 2024 enipa no ne application number no anase ne file number no ne file no number no ewo ha ana UCI number a unique client identifier sa number we a unique we ase nyina won ko ana wo sa number na ikuta no good into information no anase letter no enti dear ni pass mesi a wo hwe me was say this is in reference to your application for temporary residence. Please be advised that your temporary resident visa is not valid for travel to Canada at this time. Good. The document should not be used for further travel to Canada as we are revealing your application in the light of new information. Into more addressing ni panel or apply for visa no. Principal applicant no say in reference to visa no or temporary resident visa na ekuta no untumi mfa nko Canada anase mpo dachi bia no untumi mfa nko de nti adachi amba mni se obi okuta visitors visa no ubetumi enya according to number of years aka ewo passport no but what you say nti bia na yenu wonya more than 4 years ebia 5 years 10 years nti omo ka je say ene untumi mfa nko Canada mpo dachi so eka ho na omo hwe na application no biem with new information na omonya show my application no biom nti anuanom bomodin aso obetie na yakohu ba bia nkomo no bekwa akowie ye hwe charges omde ball no nti a obi anya na visa na ototo no no ma na asempo obi abedu Canada ha mpo no obetumi anya letter say o visa no ye twem asema me kan bia wa hwe no wate enkrofo bi nya nyomo visa sa omo ye transit eko see country bia nkomo furu aba Canada no at ba bi omo ye transit no ana ekopie se omo visa no yesi omo tumi mfanto omo control so nkomo bebre ekoso ewo under ntimi ba na atibi ho akere se o ye application you very careful nema wani na ho ewo some of these things because adie we ebetumi ato obia. I have reviewed your application and document you submitted in its support. Subsection 11 clause 1 of the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act provides that a foreign national must, before entering Canada, apply to an officer for a visa or any document required by the regulations. The visa or document shall be issued if, following an examination, the officer is satisfied that the foreign national is not inadmissible and meet the requirement of this act. I have concerns that you have not fulfilled the requirement put upon you by Section 16 Clause 1 of the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act, which states charges normally born on any twasono timisro yiwasum na etie specifically titiriu ne say based on your submissions and the information you have provided, I have concerns that you have omitted to declare that you used a compensated representative to facilitate the submission of your application. Me pese me say sisu biem ehɔ no saa ehɔ kakra no me pese me repeat myself na unya clear understanding of charges a omde ball yenu na omo twa me visa no. Was it specifically based on your submissions and information you have provided? I have concerns that you have omitted to declare that you used a compensated representative to facilitate the submission of your application. Nipa ni use agent. And when declare. The person what say agent na waje 80,000, 70,000, 90,000 no. Omo kra no mo ye visa application na ma wa. Baby a portal ni bebu so omo say obi na eya ama wo anase wa na wo ye no. Agent ni beka say wa na wo ye. Agent no onka say e ono na eya ama wo. Mako pe ehunu na wo omu suro enso ehɔ no enyehu se wo kasa ono na eya ama wa obe fill form so bi o keke na wato aso but ono ampo na wadi usika boom agi wadwuma eya ama wo no obe kasa wo applicant no wa na wo wadwuma so indirectly no agent ne say parking kai onye wadwen say obesua ade enti prove kire wo mo say obetumi aye until next time tenase na hwe videos bi a wo YouTube ha unuanom bi a ombe wo information papa no mom coach you no mom guide wo na menua ba ma save sika oba Canada obetumi dia to school fees oba Canada obetumi dia pay rent oba Canada unya adwuma nya obetumi dia pocket money na wo de account situation ne down yes sir kasa tenten na wo social media no akoso because ye ba no agent for na gisika ni na adi mawani enaho enti so pursuant to paragraph 10 clause 2 of the Immigration and Refugee Protection Regulations, the applicant shall, unless otherwise provided by these regulations, if the applicant is represented in connection with the applicant, include the name, postal address and telephone number and fax number and electronic mail address. If any of any persons or entity or a person acting on its behalf representing the applicant, your application contains evidence that your application contains evidence that it was facilitated by the same person or entity as many other applications received by this office. Clear, obvious, say, any panel, a use agent, compensated agent, almost be use agent declare, na agent and provide the information we provided. Almost say, who say, any panel submit application, no, no, say any pakrono, or receive applications be brave every sa agent in the hall. But this particular one, let's say, one application, me was so a sa agent be a man. Ubebusa say nana, and then your bed partner agent, I application a mobia, on bemusa and pa agent in a mammy, and I say agent no, or my receive applications be brave a one ho, unim of visa card now need to know. And I say credit card no, mumbi or how much Ghana when you panel submit your application ma no, or to Canada. Any pane te Canada no, I wasn't any pane failure application in our ma no, who say, and if we are sick conning into my main copy IRCC link no, and money pan or te Ghana no, then the panel fan on one debit card and I say the visa card entry from Ghana. Omonyanisa on can shop into what Canada ha, also to Ghana, no the Canada credit card it's ya. You bet me who card na a year payment and baby a card in the war, any address a card in the war. Oh, we are so calling him. You bet me home. Anti agent no or submit your application man no. Sa agent no or more applications be bra agent in the submitted, but this particular person say on one day na day, but obi na your man. Or more concern back no. Good. The autosum in addition, fraudulent or recycled documents such as proof of funds have been found in applications submitted by this person or entity, which diminish the credibility of your application. Ebiemu nso so saa nipa koro a yɛka no ho asɛm no with the fraudulent materials bi te say proof of funds. You can't proof of funds a bank statement no a fake. Any other document be a diminish the credibility of the application. And they say your application now visa na waje no enye credible. Until almost say we mu with the light of new information or the information no and omode e bono se si ameno e kan or the fake document na ye edi kan no or the agent when declare me sure say nke no nko ampo de a enkombe pardon no because nipa bebre a yenya Canada ba visa no enye news nipa bebre ne boy a o man declare say omo agent for nke no de menim say nka eno a kombetumi pardon no na emom or the fraudulent materials and ne no be a kitanka ho a ensem fata no and ne charge to so mienu yento aso or say please explain why the information about your representative was not provided and where how and when your proof of funds was obtained and why it was provided with your application. My information the entire one provided or representative, that is agent no obi a or acting on your behalf bia no representative. E bi kwa wonye agent or your unua or your papa or your mama or your brand application amount enye wo a nipa no representative. Enti chere identity a one providing information na chere he na wunya asa document we na identity na the car application no anuanom we wo kochire mu sai identity am taking me time e read me pese osua bibi o mo ye mu bi e pese e ba Canada kwan bia so e pese e ba Canada enti se ye gi document bi dia support application na ye consider ye put into consideration ye consider hwe ye no an say what if ye akoso ya o statement na radio ene ma me send them no send them no email address now on so upload submit it what be one say a message about your application is waiting for you now you must show unko no na utie ye mpo a onya procedural fairness say brabe chirechirem utie ani ya ne the ban no am straight enti bi nua ba ma me pa wasem and you know say me pa wasem enti na manya adaje ye me videos so me detailed explanation say the be a on fall victim tuesi kan koto statement a ebe di wunya ebe di udem o da yeso so be ba Canada no e valid e checheche crab nim se be bam nyantoboase e ma wo nyantoboase e mfam pepere ho ko ye bibia ma obi ani usika nko di free se fidie yi abo a ne sunko jano so a ne sunko ye nu e visitors visa wo agent you have no idea sika wo tua ma agent se a visa ne atwam no agent no ko jiska no wo he se a visa ne atwam no se woton na japade bi ene koma agent ne fa me ko Canada okoton ne ka oton na sase okoton ne bibia a esom ne bo a se ahye afi no se be start life bi kopim e bia 5 years e be left ban no afri ne so we mpo de ye ban ne no omo so omo application no bi because omo say first one no or the fake no man omo bi e ba mu ye hwe de be kwa kowie or say please note that if it is found that you have engaged in misrepresentation in submitting your application, you may be found to be inadmissible under Section 40 Clause 1A of the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act. A finding of such inadmissibility would render you inadmissible to Canada for a period of 5 years. According to Section 40 Clause 2A. See, if you should not say a bubowa. According to Immigration Act, no, obey inadmissible to Canada for 5 years. It can be inadmissible to Canada. Yeah, the ban at also for the period of 5 years. No, you won't be able to enter Canada. Now, Canada say a so nine or Canada. Nkofo lottery a beba baso ya yeye nkofo try nyame adom medofo bi a oye bie nyame adom ware ne American lottery oso betumi awe ne bi gohu na ebia ko try US na enam se aban no Canada nti amfa ebi kura boyfriend bi ebi a girlfriend bi na wo ye was ma memfa wonka ho hwan anim ebi a na wo kyena nyame aye yadom enam se aba na Canada nti ukọ US a ebe so wo 9 anuanom yame yani na ho eya na yefsha mo se mo Canada na mo meto am school so but adu ba bi e wo se ma hu se entobo ase ewie nkunimdie enti adofo nkomo no I think say SC and to say I would like to give you an opportunity to respond to this information. I will afford you 7 days. I would like to give you an opportunity. I would like to give you an opportunity to respond to this information on per se obey bias or mal opportunity say respond the ebiani trantrato so be you one. If you do not respond to this request within the time outlined above, your application will be assessed based on the information available, which will likely result in a refusal. Thank you for the interest you have shown in Canada. Regards, Immigration Program, High Commission of Canada in Ghana. And you know, a critical. And you know, baby, I do know. And now, good day. Me pa ocho obi letter wanyani. So say wo engage wo ho e wo saa ne o mai bi mu a ma wani ena ho. Obi boa wa enye bone, obi betumi aboa wo na emom. Pe letter na me kenka kire wo no. O te de course ma wani na ho. Why? Pe wasem anunti na bre bia no. Me yi madaje mu kakra se me mra na no me di nkomo. Na me nkire wo no ma bi a ehinta. Na wankoto obonifo no video mu. Me di de na ba afo. I have number 4 TV so I will YouTube. Bomodi asa obe subscribe, obe like, na wa share among you so enya bi ahwe. Every papa mu no yesard information e tia posi ebe bro. Bye bye. My crow.